Okay, so we're going to be making a pineapple surprise cake. I don't know what to call this, but basically we're going to use a angel food cake mix, and this happens to be Duncan Hines, and this is important, the ingredient they ask you to add. So the second ingredient we're going to use in this cake is just any old kind of crushed pineapple. It has to be in the juice, no syrup, in 100% juice, because this recipe relies upon a reaction between the acids in the juice and the cake mix ingredients. So the most labor-intensive part of this is actually opening this can with a manual can opener. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. I cannot. Okay, one moment. Okay, so we're going to just dump this into here. You don't drain it or anything, you just put that in there. We're going to take this cake mix and we're going to open that and we're going to pour that into there. And we're going to just use a hand mixer. That's it. Maybe about a minute or two with the mixer. Alright, so now we're just going to take this, I'm going to pour it right into an unlined, unsprayed cake plate. You don't spray the cake plate because it'll ruin the reaction that it's having with the cake mix and the fruit. So you definitely just want to pour that cake mix into a 9x13 pan. Let me just scrape the rest in there. Okay, so I have just scraped that in, and you can see it's just those two ingredients, just the cake mix and the crushed pineapple, nothing else, no eggs, no butter, no nothing. Okay, so now we're going to put this in the oven, 350 degrees for 30 minutes. It's pretty easy, huh? We've hit our 30-minute mark, and wow, it's puffed up quite a bit. I think I'm going to just test it here in the center. Yeah, looks done. Pull it out of the oven. All right, this looks absolutely beautiful. All right, we're going to let that cool down, and then we're going to make a nice light whipped cream frosting. It smells good too, and you can see it's got the trademark angel food cake marks. It looks normal, looks like a real cake. Okay, we've got the pan in the refrigerator. We've got this. And we've got some heavy cream. And the beaters are in the refrigerator also. So to make the icing pretty easy too. We've got powdered sugar here. We've got vanilla pudding or white chocolate pudding. It has to be instant pudding. Again, another reaction thing. Instant pudding. I've been using vanilla. And this is just vanilla extract. Heavy cream, This is the pint size, and then we're going to top it with some coconut, I think. I think that would go really well. And I want to get it to soft peak, which isn't quite hard enough to be whipped cream. And then we're going to add this instant pudding mix, just powder. Now what this does is it stabilizes the whipped cream and makes more of a frosting out of it. So I'm just going to make sure everything is incorporated and that there's no grittiness left. Okay, so now we're just going to spread it on top of that cake. However you want to do it, you can pipe it on, or you can spread it on. Just make sure the top is covered. Everybody gets frosting. Okay, and just take some coconut, sprinkle it on top. Messy because I'm holding the camera with one hand. There we go. And what do we have here? A delicious piece of coconut cream cake. Little pieces of pineapple in there, and it's angel food cake. It's light, it's refreshing. It's not too sweet, really, really good. For additional fun, I just added a gummy bear, a fruit-flavored gummy bear to the top. Made a nice separation so you can see the size of the pieces. Be easier to cut that way. So it's an angel food cake, so angel food cake has a certain texture and a certain taste to it, but adding the pineapple really adds a nice flavor to it. I'm just gonna have another piece. Oh boy. Really good. Really good.